Hey y'all, we going to Belk Outlet. I heard there's an actual Belk store in another city, but it's a little bit far. So let's just go to the outlet right now. All right, y'all, follow me. As soon as I come in, I'm seeing Klein bags. Now, Klein is normally very cheap. These are 55% off. Reduction is taken at the register. So 55% off of $78 is gonna be like $35 on that purse. Very soft. That's kind of like the price of a, well, not on this one, because this will be like $25 at like Burlington or TJ Maxx or something. But they're cute. They got that butter yellow look. I love this one. This one's $85, and it has that magnet strip thing. These are really cute. I think my hair was in the way, guys. Sorry, but that's just for a second. It's all good though. Here's another light blue bag. I love that. And again, it's 55% off of $85. So that's a pretty good price. But let's just go around and look at some more handbags. Oh, that looks like that's what they do is Klein. These are so cute. $108. It's in tan. That's cute. It's a cute little tote bag. Oh, and then it's a crossbody too. Wow, that's a huge crossbody, y'all. Y'all be careful with them crossbodies because they can be a little bit much. Ooh, they loud, child. This is really cute too. $98, so 55% off. And then open a Belk Rewards credit card account and save an extra 20% off. What? That means this would be cheap. That's cute though. Love it. Burgundy and black. And those are the totes, but I see these two and I'm gonna look at them in a minute, but I want to see the satchel. This is giving Birkin bag vibes, and then it has a crossbody too. But I love that. What's in this one? Okay, where you can put the strap at right here, and then it has other compartments. This is nice. I like that. That's really cute. But y'all, I don't know. I love this bag, but I really like that bag too, which is right here also. I really love that bag. That is so cute. And then this one's navy. No, that's black. I thought it was navy blue, but it's black. Y'all gotta remember my glasses tarnish thing and make things a little bit different. So let's see. I'm not feeling this one at all, but I will tag anything that I see either in my Shop My or in the description. Or I'm sorry, the Shop My will be in the description, but I do not know if they are in the YouTube store. But this is cute too. This is kind of like a top handle bag. That's really cute. But this is it, y'all. I just bought a dress like this from Target with this fabric. Oh my goodness. This would match, well, it might be a little bit deeper or darker green, maybe. But it is still super, super dope. I love that. Y'all, Klein is really looking cute at Belk. Like, you get a whole bunch of varieties of Klein, which is one of my favorite bag designers because they're affordable, but they are still very chic. Still very, very chic. Love this tote. I love that tote. I love that tote. And I love that bag. Beautiful. All right, what else we got? VH. I'm not for sure what this is. 9 West bags. This one's probably the cutest one to me. It's a tote. Oh, child, it's $109, but of course it's 55% off. So we're back down to like Marshall's, TJ Maxx prices, right? So that's kind of what you're working with here. I like this belt bag. And is this also 9 West? No, this is Lucky Brand. Okay. How much is this one? I don't know if Belk has it online for the outlet, but we will check it out. Let me see how much this is. $128. Yeah. This is cute too. I like this. I like when they have that little waffle fabric thing. Those are cute. But yeah, guys, so far we are. Oh, I love these bites. Oh, this is giving Kurt Geiger vibes without the Kurt Geiger price. It's Nina is the name. I don't know what this will be functionable for, but this of course is really cute. By Nina. It doesn't have the price either, but it does also have this in black and pink and gold. And it doesn't show the price tag on it, I don't think. I guess around $48, but they're 55% off. So $64 for this one. This is just a little wristlet. Oh, yeah, just a little wristlet. Let me see how I put it on. Yep, there we go. That's really cute. These I see a lot though at like Ross and Burlington. Really small bags. Yeah, these are probably not worth the price, but they're still really cute. Now this is what I wanted to see. This is what I wanted to see, y'all. I love the glow of this bag by Nina. And it's crossbody too. It's really small, but I like it. I don't know how much it is, but they also have it in this turquoise greenish blue color, and then a seashell one. Oh my gosh, with the kiss luck at the top. That is really cute. I can't open it though. Oh yes I can. It doesn't open like a kiss luck. Those are cute. Yeah, really cute. Oh, this is cute too. Is this okay? No, this is just a clutch bag, but it's also crossbodying. But yeah, I like this. They have this in black as well, and I think that's really cute. Everything looks like it's 55% off in the store. Oh wow, look at this belt. Oh no, this isn't a belt bag. Those are one of those. I don't know what those are, but it's cute. I wanted to try to avoid this big hobo bag, but I did want to see the shape of it. It is a Lucky brand again. Let me see, can I fit my arm in this? I can, yes. That's cool. Cool Lucky brand hobo bag. It's kind of cute. And Klein again. Now I've seen this at Nordstrom Rack. I've seen it in like black at the bottom too. This is cute. I do like this bag. It's just a bucket bag. I do like it. You know I love pretty much any bucket bag, but I do have an Anne Klein bucket bag already, so I'm gonna leave well enough alone. But this is cute. Like the half moon bag is really cute. Oh, and then a little bitty mini satchel is real cute too. Y'all, these are on clearance though too, so I don't know if there's an additional % off. But this BCBG bag, amazing. I love this. This is so cute. 78 bucks. I like it. It's really cute. Again, 55% off at Belk outlet, y'all. Don't be sleep on Belk. I have not been this way in I don't know how long, but they definitely got some cute little finds when it comes to bags. This is super soft, y'all. Super soft. And it also has a crossbody strap on it. Oh, yeah, it does. Where you can hook one up. Cute. I don't know what this brand is, though. Oh, BCBG. Yeah. Really cute. Yeah, so they definitely got some cute bags here. I don't know how, not much, though. I mean, not a huge department of them. Hey. Not a huge department of them. But Anne Klein seems to be what they really represent here, which I love that for them, because these are really cute. Yes, Anne Klein seems to be the major brand, and look, I can see me getting this bag for sure. $88, 55% off. So this is under $42. The only thing I don't like about it is the diamond. I don't like fake diamonds in my stuff. Just put a gold tone and that's it. So designers, keep that in mind. We don't like fake diamonds. But I love this bag. Oh my goodness. It's like a bucket bag. Y'all, oh, it's soft too. The next time You know, I think I'm gonna start investing in just like Klein bags because they really are cute. Okay, so here's like the bucket bag that I got. It's not a bucket bag, but this is the pattern that I got of my bucket bag. So this is gonna be like $34. And they have it in different sizes or different styles. Here's another one. So of course I wouldn't get this bag again. Hold on. I would not get this bag again, but I have a bucket bag like this with this straw fabric, which I love. I had to have it. This one is 85 plus 55% off, so this is gonna be like $43. I love it. It's really cute. Let me put this back. I don't want y'all saying I'm rough on the bags. But yeah, they got a lot of cute little bags. It's the satchels for me though. The next satchel bag is probably going to be an Klein satchel bag because why would you not? And then I've already got a burgundy, we don't want to turn off my watch. I've already got a burgundy satchel bag that's open at the top. It does not have the top handle, but I can see me getting a top handle bag from here. I will probably have to get it in one of these bright colors because yeah, I need a variety of stuff. Oh wait, here's a good one right here, a huge one. Again, 98, so 50% off of that, less than $45. This is nice, y'all. This is giving Birkin. This is really giving Birkin. And let me see if it has a spot where you put your crossbody back in. Yeah, they definitely have my eye. Klein is it at Belk. You need a variety of Klein type of bags, which Klein is one of my favorites because they are affordable and they are super cute. I will come to Belk Outlet. Belk Outlet is on 56 out in Lutz, Florida. It's Tampa, but yeah. They also got some DKNY bags. This is more so like my speed. I like that. That's cute. I definitely want to take a look at this foil bag. This is cute. This is going out one night. Going out to a nightclub. All black dress. Pink foil bag. Dope. Some real high heels. Yeah. They really got some cute designs in here. I mean, I don't ever hear about Belk, but it's definitely, you know, giving us a little run for our money because they got some cute stuff. Oh, look at this DKNY bag. Oh my gosh. Again, $55 off of any one of these bags. Look, here's one with the white. Yeah, they're a little bit higher though, but they're still really cute. Top handle bag. Well, no, that's not a top handle bag. That's a tote or satchel or whatever. I need to go and look up like all the bag names or like the bag types. This is my favorite from DKNY though. I don't quite. Yeah, this is my favorite. I love this one, and it doesn't look like it's a crossbody. It is not a crossbody, but you probably, actually, it is. Yeah, you can make it crossbody. By this end in it, you know, you can adjust it there. So yeah, this is really cute. How much is this bag? $228 plus 55% off. I'm not paying $100 for it, but that's cute. That's my favorite one. But guys, that's it when it comes to handbags. It looks like this is all that we have. I do like this one though. I'd like to show you this one. Really, really cute. I wonder is this removable? Whether it's removable or not, it's really cute. And this is $300. You might as well say so. $150 for that. But it's really cute. And then here is another one that I like this design right here. Now, I don't know if this is DKNY though. It is. This is cute. It's a little heavy though. And this is also $300. And it's giving crossbody vibes. Really cute. But guys, that is it. That is pretty much all I'm seeing at the store. Remember, you need an Klein bag. This is where you should go. Absolutely, 100% should go to Belk Outlets. If you got one in your city, make sure you check it out. Check out Belk online. and you're gonna find you some cute stuff when it comes to Klein. But I'm gonna tag what I can in the description, or make sure you check my shop my, and I got you. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye bye.